In this lecture, we'll be covering the fundamental data types that Python provides or supports. So here you can see we are assigning certain values to variables, like over here. For x, we are saying that the x holds an integer value of 10. Then we have y as 10.0. So here on hover, you can see that the data type of that particular variable is also shown. So here if I hover, you can see integer. Then here it says float. And then if I see hello world, it is a string or str. And then when we are assigning this true to variable b and none to variable z, we can run this to see exactly what all data types it has got. So x, as you can see, is integer, then y is float, and over here n is string, b is boolean, and then z, where we say z equals none, that is for none type. So these are the fundamental types that Python provides, and we will be exploring these fundamental types in details in upcoming lectures.